To set single press S Pen button for Samsung Note as previous favorite pen in Samsung Galaxy S22 Ultra, open settings, swipe the notification panel, and then tap settings icon. Scroll down settings screen, find advanced features, and then tap advanced features, select S Pen, and then tap add actions. Scroll down the screen, tap Samsung Notes, and then tap single press menu, tap previous favorite pen. Now single press S Pen button for Samsung Notes set as previous favorite pen. Okay, thank you for watching. Have a nice day.